How y'all doing? This is Elder Joel Rush with the Northeast Carpenter Road Neighborhood Group Association Incorporated, also known as NECRG 100. Look, we've got the date. I want to meet with the young people between the ages of 16 and 25 years old. I've got an initiative I want to share with you. I think that you will find that it's kind of interesting. Yep. And you can make some funds. Cheddar, cheese, bread. Yes, that's right. We're going to show you some strategies on marketing and how do you say entrepreneurship. So, the date, September 24th, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. at the Flint Public Library in room 205. That's right. Come prepared, dress casual if you'd like. Bring a resume or bring me something that shows that you're interested in learning some new skills. Everything, including making money. But if it's all about making money and that's all you want to do, I don't think you want this. These are strategies for you to help you become a productive individual. You can do that. We can do that. We can make this happen. Again, meet me at the Flint Public Library on September 24th at 6 p.m. in room 205. Be there. I'm looking forward to meeting and speaking, talking with you and sharing with you and introducing you to Kiwi.